Hello my dear little stars, hope you all are very good, studying well, eating well, playing well and respecting your elder ones. Doing that all you must do, okay? Now, we will study today's subject maths, and what is the topic of that? Number names. Okay, number names till 50 you all have done. Now today we will start from 51 to 100. Okay. So, open your maths book. In the maths book, page number 37. There you can see that number names is there 51 to 60. Then after at the next page 61 to 70. The next page 39. 71 to 80. The next page 40. 81 to 90, the next page 41, 91 to 100. On these pages you can just go through, can read and learning practice do there. Here I will tell you the tricks how to learn the number names from 51 to 100, right? So starting from 51, this way you will write F-I-F-T-Y 50 O-N-E 1 51. What comes after 51? 52. F-I-F-T-Y 50 T-W-O 2 52. F-I-F, next is 53. F-I-F-T-Y 50 T-H-R-E-E 3 53. What comes after 53? 54. F-I-F-T-Y 50 F-O-U-R 4 54. What comes after 54? 55. F-I-F-T-Y 50 F-I-V-E 5 55. Next is 56. F-I-F-T-Y 50 S-I-X 6. The next 57. F-I-F-T-Y 50 S-E-V-E-N 7 57. The next 58. F-I-F-T-Y 50 E-I-G-H-T 8 58. Then after 58, what comes? 59. F-I-F-T-Y 50 N-I-N-E 9 59. So what you saw till 59? That 50 one side you are writing and other side you are writing 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So it is you have to do with 50 to 59 the same. The next, if you are writing 61 to 9, till 69, then what you do? 61 to 69, same thing. Next, if you are writing 71 to 79, then the same that you will do the spelling 71 to 79. That after that 81 to 9, the same. What comes next after 91 and till 9, the same. Ending the 10th point, you have to just change. Okay, you know the number, and that what you next, that 10th point is what? What comes after 59? What will come? 60. So you must know the spelling of 60. S-I-X-T-Y 60. So what comes after 60? 61. So this is 61 till 69, you will write same way, SIXTY 60, and this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So till 9 you write the same way. Okay, then after, what comes after 69? Huh? Tell me you all, what comes after 69? 70. Oh, spelling of 70. S-E-V-E-N. 7 you know, and add here T-Y. 70. Okay. Next, what you will do? That next is what? 71. O-N-E-1. S-E-V-E-N-T-Y 70. O-N-E-1. So till 79 you write the same way. 71, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 79. Till 79 you written. Then what comes after 79? Huh? What comes after 79? 80. 80. Spelling of 80. E-I-G-H-T-Y. 80. Spelling of 80. E-I-G-H-T-Y. 80. Okay. Now, so what comes after 80? 81. E-I-G-H-T-Y. 80. O-N-E-1. 81. So to write just 80 or 81, what you must know? Spelling of 8. Just write E-I-G-H-T 8, and Y if you put there, it will be 80. And then next O-N-E-1. So till 80, from 81 till 89 you write the same way, that 80, 80, 81, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So E-I-G-H-T-Y 80, N-I-N-E 9. What comes after 89? Just tell me. Count and tell. What comes after 89? What comes? 90. Yes, you all know. Spelling of 90. N-I-N-E, and add there T-Y. It will become 90. Okay, you write the spelling of 9 and add T-Y there. It will be 90. So what comes after 90? 91. N-I-N-E-T-Y 90. O-N-E-1. And till 99 you write there. And the spellings of also 90. 9. 91, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Till 99 you done. Then after what will come? After 99 comes what? 100, 100. You all know well. 100, 100. H-U-N-D-R-E-D 100. So how will you learn? H-U-N hun, D-R-E-D dread, 100. Okay, H-U-N-D-R-E-D 100. H-U-N-D hunt, R-E-D red, 100. Okay, this way also you can learn the spelling of 100. So till 100 you must know that spelling of 50, F-I-F-T-Y. Yes, from 51 to 100, if you are just writing the numbers, then what will you do? That you must know the spelling of 50, F-I-F-T-Y 50. You must know the spelling of 60. How will you write 60? S-I-X. And add there T-Y, 60. The spelling of 70, Write spelling of 7, S-E-V-E-N 7 and add there T-Y. It will become 70. Spelling of 80, E-I-G-H-T is there. You add Y. It will become 80. Alright. Then spelling of 90, N-I-N-E. Add there T-Y. N-I-N-E-T-Y, 90. And spelling of 100, how will you learn? Spelling of 100 will be H-U-H-U-N-D, H-U-N-D, hun. R-E-D, red. 100. Okay, now go through your book also. Here you can see 51, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and then after, what comes after 59? 60. S-I-X-T by 60. Page number 31 you see. Got it? Yes. Next. Page open. Page number 38. Here you see that. S-I-X-T by 60 O-N-E-1. S-I-X-T by 60 TWO2. So what is that all there? 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Spelling of 70. S-E-V-E-N and add there T-Y. 70. 70. Then after what comes? 71, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What comes after 79? 80. E-I-G-S-T-Y, 80. Next page. You can see there 81 to 90 spellings. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. What will be the spelling of 90? N-I-N-E-T-Y, 90. Next page open. Here just see that spellings 91 to 100. Then how will you read that? 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Spelling of 100. H-U-N-D-R-E-D. R-E-D red. 100. H-U-N-D-R-E-D. Very easy way. H-U-N-D hunt. R-E-D red. So easily you can learn the spelling of 100 also. The method I told you just to write 51 to 100, you have to follow that. First you learn these spellings like this. F-I-F-T by 50. Read and write 5 to 10 times. Then after spelling of 60. S-I-X-T by 60. Read and write 5 to 10 times. Spelling of 70. S-E-V-E-N and T-Y. 70. 5 to 10 times read and write. Spelling of 80. E-I-G-S-T-Y. 80. Read and write 5 to 10 times. Spelling of 90. N-I-N-E-T-Y 90. Read and write that 5 to 10 times. And the spelling of 100 write you at least 15 to 20 times. Then you can just properly mug up. You will not forget that. So spelling of 100 H-U-N-D-R-E-D. H-U-N-D hunt. R-E-D red. 100. So 15 to 20 times you will read and write. But I have taught you in a one video. You have to learn step by step. One day one page, next day next page, then after next page, then after next page. Okay, page number 37 you can see. One day you just practice of page number 37. Next day you do the practice of page number 38. And then the other next day you page number 39 practice. Next other day you just practice page number 40. Next other day you will just practice page number 41. So till these from page 37 to 41 you just learn one page in a day. One page in a day. Alright, then easily and very comfortably you can learn the spellings of these numbers. Okay, these number names 51 to 100 easily can learn, and if you learn step by step, it will stay in your mind for a long time. When you will just do rehearsal, you cannot forget the whole life. Okay, we all are using that way also. So we have learned this way. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 written. Then after the next number. Okay. So that way 51 we just do from 51 to 60 that way. Then after 61 to 70 that way. Then after 71 to 80 that way. 81 to 90 that way. And 91 to 100 that way. I've just taught you in that the last term, that half yearly syllabus, that 21 to 50. Here 51 to 100. Okay, method is same. That is very easy. Quickly you can learn 51 to 100 spellings. Okay. So children, don't annoy your parents. You just study well. Thank you, class.